Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to add custom TXT record for domain verification. So step number 1, go to Porkbun website and log into your account. From the account dashboard, click account in the top right corner and select domain management from the drop down menu. Locate the domain you want to verify in the list and click the details button to the right of it. On the domain details page, find the DNS records option and click the edit icon next to it. In the Manage DNS Records screen, select TXT from the Type drop-down menu and enter the host. Copy the host name value from the verification instructions provided by the service you are using. If the service says to leave the field blank or use an ampersand, enter it as provided. Enter the value, copy the unique TXT record value from the verification instructions and paste it into the answer or value field. Click the Add button to create the new TXT record and go back to the service that requested the TXT record and complete the verification process by clicking the Verify button. DNS changes can take some time to propagate across the internet, so the verification might not be immediate. That's it. Thanks for watching.